In today's hyper-connected world, 5G is essential to success. However, building and managing a 5G network is complex and costly. Samsung and Red Hat's partnership brings together the best of Samsung's cutting-edge 5G technology and Red Hat's robust open-source platform, OpenShift, to create a highly flexible and scalable vRAN solution. Power a hyper-connected world with faster speeds, lower latency, greater reliability, and cost-efficient performance. Alongside Samsung and Red Hat. Find out more today.
Hello and welcome, I'm Sean McManus from Telecom TV. We've often discussed how networks are becoming more cloud-native, scalable, and efficient. Two of the companies working together to drive these improvements in the 5G core and vRAN are Samsung and Red Hat. So to learn more, I am joined now by Henrick Jansson from Samsung Networks and Laurence Feijt from Red Hat APAC.
Hello.
Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
To start, tell us more about your collaboration in the 5G core and in vRAN. What makes your partnership special? Laurence?
Yes. So I think that our partnership is really about the coming together of two market leaders to advance 5G core and virtualized WAN solution through the lens of enhanced automation and integration capabilities. The partnership leverages Red Hat open source technologies alongside Samsung 5G network expertise to deliver more reliable, flexible, and efficient networks to our customers. And, from a customer perspective, this partnership is also highly beneficial because, they provide the opportunity for our customers to leverage their cloud infrastructure platform to build innovation on top of it related to enterprise 5G, to MEC, or even today AI. Second, it also allows them to deploy their 5G network completely agnostically and across any type of environment, including hybrid cloud and multi-cloud settings. And the last point that that comes to my mind is obviously the reduced complexity and minimizing the deployment and operational risk through that enhanced automation and integration capabilities.
Thank you. Yes. Henrick?
So I think Laurence put it well. Maybe I can just add that we've been working together for about 5 years now already. We started off with the virtualized core, and we've now also done the virtualized RANs. And I think it's important, as Laurence mentioned, we are doing blueprints, we are verifying, and so on. And we are two market leaders. I think, the platform from Red Hat and the applications from Samsung.
Henrick, tell us how you're working together to support operators in deploying cloud-native 5G core and vRAN solutions.
Right. So I think one important part is that we essentially share the vision of a fully end-to-end software-based network, where you have some standardized hardware, you have a common software platform, and uniform tools across. And if you have that, you can simplify your organization, your processes, you can have a more common skill set across different domains, and you can build a very reliable network. Now, if you have that network, you can also easily add things to it. So I think that is very much what this is about.
Now, as we know, open source plays a huge part in telecom innovation. How does Red Hat's open source approach complement Samsung's 5G and vRAN solutions, Laurence?
Yeah. So first, let me say that open source is at the core of everything that we do in Red Hat. As a matter of fact, as the largest open source company in the world, we truly believe that leveraging open source development model are key to making technologies more secure, more reliable, and also more innovative. Open source also drives for more multi-vendor compatibility, supports edge computing for ultra-low latency applications. Now, putting this back in the context of the Samsung Red Hat partnership specifically, the contribution of Red Hat is really by providing the open source, cloud-native, interoperable, and automated cloud infrastructure that will drive the customer innovation and agility.
Let's talk about the benefits that your collaboration delivers. Henrick, tell us about that.
Right. So as I mentioned, we share the vision of an end-to-end software-based network with a common platform across. We verify that solution. So it's also deployed now. So it's a fully proven solution, if you will, for operators to use. It handles both the core network and the radio network. And the platform, when we have it, we can easily add things to it as well. So that can be things like virtualized routers, it can be things like AI and so on. So for example, we have our SMO system that also runs on Red Hat. That makes it very simple to deploy, to do analytics, to do optimizations, slicing and so on of the network. Some of that is AI-based and some of it is more traditional, but it kind of shows the stuff you can do if you have this software-based network.
Thank you. Laurence?
Yes, so just to add on and complement what Henrick was saying, I would say that we are collaborating together to support the constant need for a service provider to validate their network functionality, performance, multi-vendor interoperability of their end-to-end 5G networks, right? And the joint blueprint that we developed together really aims at providing an end-to-end virtualized solution to our customers that, reduces that complexity and operational and deployment risk. What it also does is, to provide a platform that is future-proof and that can easily adapt to the rapid changing market needs. And additionally, also, I think that, our collaboration is really a great testimony of, the scale of the challenges that Red Hat's robust partner ecosystem is able to, to handle, right? Because with our partners, we are able to provide choice at every architectural level of the solution, which is something that is really valued by our joint customers.
We all love to hear about real-world applications, so I was wondering if you could share an example where a customer has deployed Red Hat and Samsung's 5G Core and vRAN solutions, and it would be particularly interesting to hear about the outcomes from this.
Right. I think the best example is KDDI in Japan. They have Red Hat. They want to have Red Hat across. It's their platform of choice. They've deployed Samsung's virtualized core network. And we are now also starting to deploy the virtualized RAN for them. And really the outcome is that it enables them to have the platform of choice, put all the workloads that they want on that, and really get this end-to-end software-based network with all the benefits that we talked about earlier.
Looking ahead now, how do you see this collaboration evolving? What can customers expect in terms of future innovations and enhancements, Laurence?
Yes. So we can definitely expect to see the partnership evolving towards greater automation, more cloud-native advancements, as well as more AI-driven optimization. As customers are accelerating their journey towards fully containerized and virtualized network, Red Hat will remain the reliable platform for Samsung 5G cutting-edge applications. So looking ahead, I think that customers can definitely expect a few things. First one is to see deeper integration of AI/ML to support scenarios related to predictive analytics, to intelligent network automation, as well as self-healing networks. The second thing relates to edge computing becoming even more critical and more prominent with the enhanced support of ultra-low latency applications, private 5G networks, edge AI-driven use cases. And the third thing relates to network slicing and all the advancements that are done in that area that will allow for more tailored and differentiated service delivery. And last but not least is really related to security enhancements that are supported in a Red Hat security framework, and that will be critical into making network more resilient and robust.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Well, it has been fantastic to hear about how you're working together today. Thank you both for joining me.
Thank you.
Thank you.